figured out a way, and I praise God for the opportunity. So if you have young children and you want them to have a neutral explanation of what we're going through as a nation, I thought of a way, I received this way of explaining through Pokemon. So ang problema ngayon sa algorithm natin, sa ating political thinking, parang rumble ng fraternity members na kung patayan na o gulpihan na, I don't care about who's right and wrong. Doon lang ako sa kakampi ko, di ba? So, explaining to young people that there's always a dream, and of course, the better the order or perfect order, mas madali. But then, sinong bida, sinong kontrabida? Ano yung kalalabas lang kung hindi ako nagkakamali kahapon? Chaos rising. So actually, ito pinag-uusapan kahit sa Senate, no? Chaos. But what brings chaos? Nung maayos lahat sa kagustuhan ng Panginoon, walang chaos di ba? Pero since then, every time na sabi sa akin po ng isang kaibigan si Noy, sabi niya, wag ka nang mag-isip pa. Kasi simple lang, matino ka. Gusto mo matino yung Senate, so guguluhin ka talaga. So chaos is not only brought by bad people who want to destroy something good. It's also brought by bad people who want the status quo not to change, who wants to prevent good people from changing. So am I saying kami good, sila bad? No, what I'm saying, there are 24 senators, there are different political leanings, there are a lot of issues, but just like parents, hindi ba una parati sa parents' health? Your spiritual health, your mental health, your physical health, your financial health, di ba? So, sobra po ang pinagdadaan na ating bansa ngayon.